As always, thanks for watching. Check out my book. Below, we have free shed plans from the Jamaica Cottage Shop located in Vermont. Sheds and cabins is their thing. NV Tiny House Heaters, we are giving away one very soon on the channel. And upcoming, have a couple workshops, one notably in California. Only have a few spots left out in 29 Palms near Joshua Tree. Fully hands on, a van conversion project, and tiny house framing, and more.
Hey, what's up, guys? DekeRelaxShacks.com here in my art studio that's still in the works, part of a video series we have here on the channel. So check it out, hit that little bell thing, subscribe, leave a comment, whatever. All those things I'm told to do. I'm just providing content, building stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. I want to show you some stuff I picked up today. Kind of a product review. I love building, as you know, tree houses, backyard art studios, tiny houses, all that. I did a video recently with Chris Shapnick of Tiny Industrial, and when we visited him down in, as I talked, pointing a box cutter, as we visited him down in Florida at the Tiny House Festival put on by Johnny Kernahan and Finn Davies, he showed me a caravan, and I'll show you a quick shot right here, that he built that had these tiny little windows in them that were 20 bucks a pop. I thought to myself, that sounds too good to be true. So I ordered some, and they just arrived in the mail. Here they are. I look, I have quite the pompadour today. I kind of just woke up not that long ago. Getting ready to mix a ton of concrete today, which is not going to be fun with my buddy Paulo Coleman. Here's a picture of half the order I just purchased at Lowe's. So let's open the sucker, shall we? I could go to tripod just so you can see what's going on here. All right, here we go. I'm on this little workbench that might be kind of wobbly. I haven't stabilized it yet. So you can have this earthquake vision like you have right here. Trying to stabilize the camera. It's on a tripod that's really tall too, which isn't going to help me. So, yeah, you're shaking around a bit. Sorry, guys. I'll try to do this as gingerly as I can. And stabilize it in post-production. Here we go. These windows, if you sign up for Amazon Prime, you know you get free shipping. This was not a case for this free shipping. They were 14 bucks each and 7 bucks to ship per window, even though they came in the same box. Still pretty darn reasonable, about 20, 21 bucks a window, so Chris Shapnick was not lying. I'm assuming they're plexiglass, not glass. Ooh, pretty cool looking. And these would be great, ideal for sheds, like I said, tree houses, even tiny houses. You know, they're not going to open, they're static windows, but for a little pop of light here and there. And they look kind of nice, the way they're trimmed out. I hate styrofoam peanuts. All right, so I just want to see as to the quality of these. We're going to probably be using some of these in one of our upcoming workshops that we have in North Carolina coming up, if that one hasn't passed it, depending on when I release this video. And in California, which might be one of the last hands-on workshops I do for a while, because I have a lot of other stuff coming up. So, oh, these are nice. These are actually, it's tempered glass. It's not plexiglass, it's tempered glass. Can you see that? In the shine somewhere, maybe you saw it in the corner right here. Tempered glass. They're aluminum frames. I assume they'd be plastic all around, you know, or fiberglass, vinyl. These are pretty darn nice, and I'm not just saying that. Made in Pennsylvania. Here they are. So they're a foot by a foot, actual glass, single pane, not double pane. You're not gonna get double pane for that money. So you're not going to have that great of a, you know, thermal level or BTU, not BTU, R value, excuse me, it's early. But seeing as they're only a foot by a foot, you're not going to bleed that much heat through a window like this. These are really cool. And I have a couple treehouse builds coming up, 2 of them back to back in Massachusetts for clients. I might employ some of these. In the workshop I'm doing for Stephen Harrell down in North Carolina, again, all this is on RelaxShacks.com or in the description below. The links to these windows are in the description below. These might be kind of cool, like in loft applications, almost like mini clerestory windows. So here they are. I'm actually, I didn't open the box obviously before this video, and I'm touching these for the first time. I wasn't over at Chris's Vardo stroking the windows and examining them that closely. These are pretty awesome for 20 bucks. I used to use those Pet Peak windows a lot. Sorry, shaking the camera again. Pet Peak are the dome windows. I love those, but honestly, and I'll put a link below on those too. While I still use them, they started out in the 20-something buck range, and some other company bought them out. Now they're like 40 bucks a pop. So I kind of stopped using them for that reason. Not that 40 is a ton of money, but it adds up if you're using a lot of those. So this might be my future replacement. for these. Hopefully they don't go up in price. 20 bucks or 21 bucks. And I am pretty excited to use these. Just wanted to share. So there you go. Thanks for watching. I know this video is not super exciting, but hopefully this will help some of you guys who are building some forts out there. You know, maybe some of the parents who don't have a ton of money, want to build something for your kids or for yourself. Dig them, man. 4 of these together in a nice array would be pretty cool too. Give your little structure a very modern, almost Nantucket look. But yeah, these might be cool for your building application. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and like I said, description for these is below. And hope to see you at one of those upcoming workshops in North Carolina or in California.